Okay, so in this video, I'll be unboxing the AKD Orca V1. The reason I'm making this video, I actually haven't seen anybody else make an unboxing video on them. They're pretty niche. They're pretty niche clothing company, and I've heard good things about them, but no actual unboxing video on YouTube. Let's get opening. Can I ask this? Grail. Oh, damn. Okay, it comes with spare hardware. Oh my. It's so beautiful, bro. I only bought it because that anodization. I was not planning on buying another Bow song. It's actually gorgeous, bro. The anodization is sick. Oh man. And then let's get opening. Yo. Oh, it's heavy. It is heavy, but oh my god. That anodization looks sick. Oh my god. Wait, let me open it. That's... Yo. That is... It's a bit greasy, but it's beautiful. It has the ring! It has the ring to it. That's so cool. Yo. It is pinless. Yeah, I think it is pinless as far as I'm aware. That is sick. Is it? Yeah, it's pinless. That is cool though. I'm not exactly good at flipping yet, but man, it's has a little ring to it. It's extremely It is pretty handle biased, yeah. Just took more of my skin off. It is pretty handle biased, but I was looking for a heavy flipper, but yeah, tune is perfect. Tune is literally perfect. That's all I'm getting out of it. Let's do a... Oh, it's so good! The ring is so nice! Oh my god. I'm actually so jacking over it so hard right now. Yeah, I didn't expect to be this sharp. I'm honest, I did not expect to be sharp. And it has the blade design of a 1.5 instead of a 1, like a V1. That's dangerous. I already cut myself. But yeah. Like compared to my... I only have a Tsunami on me right now. Compared to my Tsunami, it's wow, yeah, the Orca is like way heavier. That's the unboxing experience. I will try flipping it. It is a live blade, which I didn't expect. I thought it would be false blade, because the adder has a false blade. I can dull it, but like damn. Wait, let me try Chaplin on it. Oh, it's okay. It has like, it feels a bit different, but it's manageable. I'm pretty sure there's only 5 of these, as far as I remember, because BBKS did release 5 of these and 5 blue ones. So as far as I know, this is like a 1 of 5, but I can't get over the coloring. The coloring is beautiful, man. Oh my. Yeah, I could not be more happy with the... Is that a scratch? There's just a scratch on my blade. I need to clean it, but milling's beautiful. And that'll be it for the short video. But just one more ice pick test. Ah, the ring is like, it's not too much, it's not too little. So bouncy. I'm surprised like people are buying B plus over this, because I heard there are some quality control issues. I'll keep fucking cutting myself. I heard there are some quality control issues with a Bally Plus, but hey, I got a pretty good one. Anyways, just one more. I can't get it like to sit still. It's so absurdly bouncy. kind of fucked it up. But yeah, it's so nice. I'm turning on the light. Maybe it looks better. Oh, I actually can't get over how beautiful it looks. Like the gradient with the clouds on it. It's so nice. The milling looks beautiful. But yeah, definitely. I might make an update video on it because it is beautiful. And no, this is different. The flipping experience is way heavier than my tsunami. Yeah, I'll upload it again. But yeah, overall, really good. The the jimping actually does something for once, like unlike the fucking tsunami. And yeah, that'll be it. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you want a follow-up video on the AKD orca.